Alrighty, people, you guys have been asking for it. What would the Indian Challenger Elite
Matt Candy's nice, isn't she, baby?
versus Harley Davidson CVO with the 121? What would they do against each other? Comparison video. You guys been asking for it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put them up next to each other. I'm gonna show you guys similarities. First of all, first similarity, let's talk about it. Inverted front forks, boom. Inverted front forks, boom. Brakes, basically the same. Basically the same. We got 3 inches of travel in the back, rear suspension, gas preload, electronic preload, rear suspension travel, 4.5 inches in the rear. Adjustable windshield, no adjustable windshield. We got 3 ride modes over here. We got 4 ride modes over here. Heads are cooled with a 121 cubic inch motor versus a 108 fully liquid cooled Power Plus motor. This was about 30, crap, can't remember. I think it's $38,000. These are like $45,000. Bone stock. But just for the fun of it, this is a 2020 Indian Challenger with the Toce Performance 2-to-1 and a Mad Monkey tune.
Alright, we're gonna see what's gonna go on here. So we're outside Mexico right now. Alright guys, so we're gonna go on right now. We have a base Indian Challenger here on the left. We have the Harley Davidson CVO here on the right. We got a Challenger Elite 2024, brand new Challenger Elite here on the right. This bike is bone stock. This bike is bone stock. I'm on this beauty right here. Oh, I thought it was time to go. I'm on this beauty right here where what do you call it? It's a tuned bike. One-handed, baby! One-handed, baby! Kevin! He ate him up! He ate him up! Got ate up! Got some good footage, though. Boy. Kevin got ate up again. I want to switch Kevin bikes. up.
Yeah, I'll tell you shit fast enough. This bike's smoking so bad. Maybe it's my. I guess I'm done.
I don't see anything.
My shifting wasn't fast enough.
Oh, something. Is it just the exhaust getting eaten? He probably hasn't rode it like that before.
Rev it.
What is purple?
Is that or no?
Oh shit. I think he might have a fucking brake hung up. Which would make sense why he was way slower than you. Yeah. Yeah. That makes a lot of. Hey, don't you trying to let that HD win, huh? Shit. What the fuck? Alright, hey, we'll switch. I'll ride yours. We'll just do a U-turn. You and I run back to the shop and we'll just call it a day. And we'll get this looked at.
Yeah, let's get this looked at, but then I also want to run my bike versus it too.
Versus what? I beat it its ass. One fucking handed, no clutch shifted. I was getting the footage and still running on him. Like, I was like, yeah. That's why I was like, something's wrong with this. All right, let's try this shit again. I fucking rolled just fine just now. Is he in sport mode? Yeah, he's in sport mode. Right now? All right, I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm running them. All right, let's try this second go 40.
I've never seen somebody smoke a motorcycle brake. Woo! A rear. Oh yeah, a fucking rear. Hey bro, I think your foot was on the brake, bro. Fingers are on fire. Hey, you were running everybody though, bro. Running them. Where the hell is my hat? Oh, here it is. Yeah, you were running everybody. That was fun. That was fun. That CVO though, so I spun like a motherfucker off at the stoplight.
Yeah.
Like, what?
I let you guys get the hit.
Oh, I know.
And I took it easy because I was scared, like I said, busting my nuts.
Yeah.
I was like, don't do it. I was scared as shit, but I was like, fuck.
Wait, I mean, you could be like Kevin. You could just run with the rear brake fucking lit up the whole time.
That's going on the floor.
Yeah.
So the Elite beats the CVO while riding on the rear brake.
My first concern being an audio guy, we've got 10s in there, we got 6.5s in the lids. Kevin pulls over in front of me and I'm like, the 10s are on fire, the amp's shorted out, his bags are about to melt down. First thing, I go smell in the bags, nothing. I'm like, what the hell? Bill touches the rotor, melts his glove. Where was it? Yeah, melts his glove. Kevin, you were excited, my man. You were excited.
Hey, you got your first race, bro.
Yeah, my first race, buddy. I was coming in hot.
Yeah. You was hot. Hey, you was trying to give him a head start and shit. Woo. Hey guys, if you don't know the fun that brings, it's just something else. Yeah, good times, baby, good times. Wait, where's my GoPro? Hey, Bill.
Yeah.
What you got that Indian motorcycle and CVO ST over here just running everybody?
Yep, I got
Dude,
the 108.
running everybody. Like, what is happening? It doesn't even make any sense. Carbon fiber and black, just like the CVOs.
Carbon fiber, man, it's so much lighter.
So much lighter.
It's a cicada 10.
Ooh-wee, so much lighter. To be honest though, he does have the 112 big bore kit, same that's in Spicy Candy. He actually has a lift on here. We were discussing his bike wheelies a lot easier than mine, and he tells me it's faster and it's more powerful and it got bigger junk in the trunk. I'm like, bro, you don't even got a junk. You don't even got a trunk, so whatever. But realistically, he might, I think the lift, he has like a 3-inch Big Bear lift on it. He has the, these bars. I can't remember what they're called, I'll ask him right now. They're like the T-bar setup without having the, this kit. What is the Barnstorm kit? So, kind of interesting. I rode both these bikes today, feeling it, looking at it, seeing the difference. But I do want to point out something. Gotta point it out. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Got that Toce. Big bore exhaust. Look at it. looking good. Hang on, let's go at it. Let's go at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh. Yeah, so we got some fun things around here today. In another video, if you're interested in another video, I have, I'm gonna show, oh, look at that. We got some TNA carbon fiber up in this. Oh, just look. Coming soon, baby. Coming soon. Pretty soon, in another video, maybe before or after this one, I don't know, but this is gonna be an audio competition. This is a heck of a setup. We're here real early. We just got back from Mex. Looking good, feeling good, and yeah, can you believe it? So that is almost identical to a bone stock 121. Then this bike, hang on, let's talk about this. I outran, this is just a tuned bike with a Toce pipe, and I easily, one-handedly outran a Harley Davidson CVO. That's right, I said it, the brand new 121 CVO with one hand got 8 up. All I did was just roll on it and hit it, single hand, no hand shifting, just slamming gears, baby. Eat it up. It ate it up. And then this one with that 112 by Mad Monkey put in just like Spicy. Ate this one up. Ate it up. Everybody's getting eaten today. And last but not least, Kevin, we found out, likes to ride with his foot on the brake, even in racing. So that's kind of funny. Man, Challenger Elite, it held its own today. It held its own. So what we have just witnessed though, with just a tune and just a pipe, you can eat CVOs for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, baby. So let's go.